In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily rename your projects here in Kittl. Now, when we start a new project, if we want to name that project, what we want to do is click up here where it says New Project. Then we can type in whatever we want to name this project. I've put Turtle Eating Sushi Sticker. So let's just quickly put that on the page as well. Let's put that there, like so. Now, if we go back to the home page, which is just here, we're now going to see that. Now, to quickly rename this, we can simply click on the name of the project just here. If we double click, we can then rename really quick to whatever we want, as you can see, just like that. Or if we reopen that project, we can rename that project as well, back up to the top, right here. So that's just how easy it is to rename projects here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.